Grandma.
Grandma.
Grandma Rose. Grandma Rose.
You know, Grandma Roy.
Happy birthday to you. Clay, what do you have on right now?
A raincoat.
A raincoat.
A raincoat.
Yes, it's very, very awesome. Do you like it?
It's bumpy.
It's bumpy? It's it's smooth. Here's Cameron. Oh, Cameron. Hi, Cameron.
I come.
Hi, come. Hello. And say happy birthday, Grandma Rose.
Happy birthday, Grandma Mama.
Grandma Mama. What else can you say besides happy birthday?
Goopy.
Goopies. Oh, goopies. Say, are you having a good time in Hawaii? No, ask that. Say it. Are you having a good time in Hawaii? Cooper. Okay. Say bye.
Ba.
Bye, Grandma Rose.
No ba.
Bye. Okay.
I'm to watching. No.